If you've been thinking pepper sauce is just about heat and vinegar, well, I'm about to change your mind. Baby, the flavor does not lie. Hey Sizzle and Spice friends, it's Bridgette here. Welcome back to my Sizzle and Spice. Today, we're making tropical pepper sauce with real Scotch bonnet peppers, real Jamaican flavor, warm island spices, not just fire. This is the sauce that goes on everything from jerk chicken, fried fish, rice and peas, and oxtail. And I'm going to show you every step so you can make this pepper sauce recipe right in your own kitchen. Let me get into it. First, we bring in the star of the show, the Scotch bonnet peppers. I prefer to use them sun ripe, red, firm, shiny. That's where the flavor that gets that and that gorgeous color comes from. Now listen, for this, you have to put on a glove before you get started. These, your hands will thank you later. And oh baby, your eyes will thank you too. We're using fresh garlic, ginger, scallion, pimento, and a little thyme, and pineapple for that tropical sweetness. See how it's not all heat? That's the secret. The spices in Caribbean cooking is warm and aromatic. The pepper brings the color and the kick. The fruit brings the sweetness and everything else. That's where flavor lives. Now it's time to build the sauce. We start with rough chopping the peppers. You can blend them down into the pot with the vinegar and the lime. And here's where the trick most people miss. You don't boil the peppers to death. You warm them just enough to soften them so the flavors bloom instead of turning bitter. If you're loving this video, why not give it a like, subscribe, and share so you don't miss the next upcoming videos, all right? Now it's time to combine our ingredients. So we're adding in the mango, then we're gonna layer the pineapple. Not using all at once, just layering. Building those depth of flavors. We want to get everything out of that glass. Then we add our green seasoning. Then we layer our lemon juice or lime juice. Now this is where the real pepper sauce comes in. You stir that in. That's what the color should be looking like. Vibrant. Add in your vinegar as you go to your desired consistency. Then we add some brown sugar and a dollop of mustard. This is where I add my salt and ginger powder off camera, guys. Now with this process, it takes 10 to 15 minutes. Once again, not to overcook the pepper and it get bitter. Now the process is finished. Look at that. I have 2 bottles, guys. One is the larger one is for my base, and the other is smoother for more creamier, ready to serve to the table. If you have recently joined my community, thank you so much. For returning subscribers, thank you for watching. And until next time, I catch you in my upcoming videos.